Hello children, you are warm welcome in today's mathematics class, linear equation in two variables. This is our continuation of previous class in which we learned something about linear equation. So what about the linear equation? So this is our continuation class. So let's start what we will learn today. So these are some outlines. What learned, then we will go for solution of linear equation of two variable. The last time we have learned what is linear equation of two variable. Today in today's class we will learn what is the how to find out the solution of the linear equation of two variable. Then we will go for some examples of linear equations of two variable, how to solve it, how to find out the solution. So let us see what we have learned in our previous class. So in previous class we understand what is variable and constant. So I hope you enjoyed the activity in the last class also, in which you learned what would be the variable, what are the constant. Then we also learned the linear equation of one variable, what is the formation of the linear equation of one variable. Then we also learned the solution of the linear equation in one variable, and then we have also represent the linear equation of one variable on the number line. It means the solution of the linear equation of one variable, how to plot on the number line. Then we also introduce the linear equation of two variable in the last class. So this is our learned which we have learned in the last class. Now let's go ahead of today's class. So now in the today's class we will learn how to find out the solution of linear equation of two variable. The solution means, so what do you mean by the solution of linear equation of two variable? Means pair of values. Pair means here we are having two variables, one of them is x and another one is y, and then both these variables must satisfy our equation. Whatever equation you are having, it must satisfy. So solution means a pair of values, one of x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. So children, let us start with some examples. So in the last class we understand what is linear equation of two variable. So today we start with the linear equation solution. So let us start. There is an problem is given on your screen. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So is it a linear equation of two variable? Now answer is yes, because there are two variables. One is x, another one is y. The degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1. So this equation is linear equation of two variable. Now let us find out the solution. How to find out the solution? If x equal to 2, if our x equal to 2 and then y equal to 3, so what is the conclusion? X 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3. It means 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Means that we are having the right hand side. So the x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is called as a solution. Solution is, or we call it as one of the solution, because it satisfies our equation 3x plus 2y equal to 12. It satisfies our equation, so it's called a solution of this equation. Now the solution is written as an ordered pair. Now the question is how to write the solution. The way we should learn the writing of solution, that is should be in the ordered pair form. The solution is written as an ordered pair 2, 3, because the x values is 2 here, y value is 3 here, because in our previous chapter number 3, we are also introduced the coordinate system. So it is, we are writing in the form of coordinate system. So one x values and another one is the y value. So 2, 3. First writing the value of x. So we always try to write down the value of x first and then the value of y. Now come to the another one. Is there any other solution? Now the answer is yes, because if we see x equal to 0 or x equal to 4 and y equal to 0, then will it satisfy the equation? Let us check. 3 into 4 plus 2 into 0, then our answer is 12. Again we are getting the right hand side. It means that 4, 0 is again a solution, is also a solution for the equation which is given to us. Now again, let us take another any example which is not satisfy our equation. So let us take one pair of x and y. So if suppose x equal to our 3 and y equal to 4, let us cross check. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4, that is 9, that is 8, equal to 17. That does not equal to 12. So what is the conclusion? It means that the pair 3 comma 4, we can say that pair 3 comma 4 is not a solution of given linear equation of two variable, because it is not satisfy the given equation. Now we have already find out that 4 comma 0 is a solution. We have already cross checked 4 comma 0 is solution, but is it 0 comma 4 is a solution? Let us cross check 0 comma 4 is a solution or not. So now we are changing the pair. So here now we are putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. 0 comma 4 means that first we will write the value of x, then we will write the value of y. So this is our 0 and 4. So let us put these values. 0 into 4 plus 2 into 3 into 0 plus 2 into 4 equal to what we are getting? We are getting 0 plus 8. That is again does not equal to 12. It means that the 0 comma 4 is not a solution of the equation, linear equation of two variable 3x plus 2y equal to 12, because it is not satisfy the given equation. So hope you understand the meaning of the solution. Now the question is arises in your mind, how many solution will be there? How much time we have to put? So let us go ahead with this question. Can we find any other solution? Now the answer is yes, we can find. Another answer is 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 is another solution, because 0 comma 6 means that x equal to 0 or y equal to 6. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into 6. Then it will become 0 plus 12 equal to 12. Means that again we are getting the right hand side. It means that 0 comma 6 and another solution. This is the new solution. The previous which we have seen, those are satisfying. These are the solution, and this new one which we have writing, it is a solution. Now we can get many solution in the following way. You can find out the many solution. You put another values. You can put here 4 comma 0. We have already calculated. So many others we can ordered pair we can take, which we will in which we can find out the solution of given linear equation. Now we go for some special case. Let us, what we have to do now, pick a value of your choice, any choice. Suppose you are saying that our x equal to 3. You may take 4, you may take 7, you may take any value you can take. So you can pick a value of your choice. So here we are assuming x equal to 3. If we take this x equal to 3, then what will happen? We will just replace value of 3. Then we will have 2y equal to 12. Means that 9 plus 2y equal to 12. So now what you are getting, children? If you see on the board, we are having an equation which is linear equation in one variable. Now this is a linear equation in one variable because we have fixed the value of x. We are treating x as a constant. We are giving a constant value to x. So we just simply remove the x. So we are having a new equation. This is new equation is one variable. Then the equation reduces to one variable, which is a linear equation in one variable. Now let us find out the solution of this equation. If it is linear equation in one variable, then we have already studied in the previous class also, or our previous we can use our previous knowledge also. We can obtain the value of y. How to obtain? We just simply 2y equal to 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. Then y equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of our variable y. But when we are getting this value, we are getting this value while we are fixing the value of x. So what we are having here, so we put the value of x equal to 3, so that is fixed. In this case, we are getting the value of y is 3 by 2. So what is the meaning of that one? So 3 comma 3 by 2. If we would like to write in the ordered pair form, then 3 comma 3 by 2 is another solution of your linear equation in one variable. So hope you are enjoying. We can find so many solutions, many solutions. So whatever statement we have posed, many solutions. So in that way, you can put the value of y also in the similar way of x. So now what we will do here, we are just simply taking the value of y equal to -2. You may take -1, you may take 0, you may take 7, you may take any number. Whatever comes first in your mind, you can take it. As we take this number y equal to -2, what will happen? We just simply put in this y equal to -2 in a given equation. We will have 3x 2 into 2 equal to 12. Then what will happen? 3x plus 4 equal to 12. Good. Now we will go ahead. Sorry, this is minus 3x 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Now we can calculate the value of x, that is 16 by 3. So what we are having here, as we are fixing the value of y, the another variable y, so at -2, or you can put any other value. So now we are getting the value of x. So it means that this is again a new solution. So here, how we write the solution, children? First we write the value of x, always in ordered pair. We always keep in mind, first of all we have to write down the value of x, then value of y. So here x is our 16 by 3, good, and the y value is -2. So how to write down the solution? We just write down the first value of x, that is 16 by 3, and the another values of y, that is -2. So 16 by 3 comma -2 is another solution. So that is the beauty of the solutions. Many solutions. Now let's go with the conclusion. What we can conclude with such type of solutions. So this is our conclusion number 1. There is no need, there is no end to different solution of a linear equation in two variables. There is no end, infinite. You just thought it. You put some values of x, like we have put y equal to -2, x equal to something. Then you can put x equal to -1, -2, -3, x equal to 1, 2, 3, any number. So as you are put value of x, you will get the value of y. In a similar manner, you can put infinitely value of y, in which you can get the value of x. So what it conclude, there is no end to the different solution of a linear equation in two variables. There is no end. You may find out the so many solutions. Another very important, that is a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. So why infinitely many? Because we have already said that we are having no end point of the solution, means that infinite value of x you can put any value 1, 2, 3, 4 for -1, -2, -3, 4, 5. In a similar way, in y you can keep some values, you will get the x. So in that way you are having you are putting infinite number of values. So in a similar manner you are getting infinitely many ordered pair, or each ordered pair is the solution of your linear equation in two variables. So these are two very beautiful conclusion of linear equation in two variable. But this is not happen in one variable equation. In one variable equation you always get a unique solution, because this is having a one variable. But in linear equation two variable, it varied. It is having the infinitely many solution. So let's go ahead with some problems. So our problem number 1 is find 4 different solution of the equation. So let's do the children. Let's start this problem. Please take your pen and paper with you and you enjoy this problem with me. So let us take x plus y equal to 9. So whatever thoughts comes in your mind, you start with the solution. So let us put some values. We had one of the way in which we fix the value of x, we can find out the value of y. So what we can do, we just simply put x equal to 0, then you will get 0, 0 plus y equal to 9, implies that 0, 9 is the solution. In a similar way, if I put y equal to 0, then you will get x plus 0 equal to 9, implies that 9, 0. These are the two very simple solutions. This is one of the simplest way to find out at least two solutions. How? We just simply put 0, one of the variable. Once you put 0, one of the variable, definitely you will get the value that will be removed, and that will be removed, then you will get the solution. Whatever be the right hand side, that will be the solution of the another variable. So simply what we have done it here, we put x equal to 0, then we get the value of y, that is equal to 9. So 0, 9 is one of the solution. In a similar manner, we just simply put y equal to 0, then we get the solution 9, 0. So these are the two solutions. But our task is to find out at least 4 different solutions. So let's go ahead with the 4 solution. This is our 1 solution. This is our 2 solution. Now we go ahead with the 2 more solutions. So children, how to find out the solution? It's very simple. We just take x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Let us see what will happen. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So that implies 4, 5 is another solution of your linear equation of 2 variable which is written on the board. Again, what we can do, we just simply interchange the position of x and y. We just take x equal to 5, y equal to 4. Then what we will do here, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. That implies 5, 4. So what we have to keep one thing keep in mind, the position of x. The x is always come at the first position and y is come at the second position. So 5, 4 is the another solution of this linear equation of 2 variables. So how many solutions we get now? We are getting 4 solutions. So what are the solutions? Just we simply write down. So our one solution is 0, 9. One is 9, 0. One is 4, 5. And the last one is 5, 4. So these are the 4 different solutions. In such way, you can find out the more solutions of this linear equation of 2 variable. Here, you also understand, once we put the value 4 and 5, we may opt the another method. That is, you just keep one value fixed, you can obtain the another value, and your solution will be remain same. So this is one of the solution. Hope you understand the concept of finding the 4 different solution of your linear equation. Now let's go with the another problem, problem number 2. That is, there are 2 parts of this problem we are keeping here. This find 2 different solution of the following equation. Your part A is 3x plus 7y equal to 0, and another one is 5x plus 2y equal to 11. So children, let us start with the part A, and then you also try this problem in your notebook also. So what is our problem? 3x plus 7y equal to 0. Now our right hand side is 0. So our x and y should be in such a way that your answer must be 0. So in the first, I am just putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then what will get? 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 equal to what? 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. satisfy the equation, it means that 0, 0, that implies 0, 0 is one of the solution of the problem 3x plus 7y equal to 0. Now let us find out the another solution. But here our previous technique may not work, in which what we have done it, we just simply change the position of x and y, because here x is 0, y is 0. If we change the position, then nothing will be happen. Again it will look like same. So this is not look like the different solution. Then how to find out? So we are having another way. We either we can simply put x equal to something or y equal to something. So let us try. We just simply put, suppose x equal to -1. So x equal to -1 means that 3 into -1 plus 7 into y equal to 0. Then what will happen? -3 plus 7y equal to 0. It means that it will become linear equation in one variable. Good. So how to find out the solution linear equation in one variable? We just simply 7y equal to 3, then y equal to 3 by 7. So this is the value of y. So here what we have done it, we have put just simply x equal to -1. So what we are getting? Y equal to 3 by 7. So that what imply? It imply -1, 3 by 7 is the solution of our equation 3x plus 7y equal to 0. So I hope you understand the concept of solution, how to find out a 2 different solution, 3 different solution, 4 different solution. So the part B is the exercise for you. You just please try out with the in your home. So let's go ahead with the another problem. Now we are having the problem number 3. This is slightly different. Now what we are saying, find the value of k. This is number, find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is a solution of the equation. Very interesting problem. Here what asks for us, the question is asking value of k from us. So but here important point is the x and y is given to us, is a solution. So what is the equation? 2x plus 5y equal to k, and moreover we have given x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is a solution. So if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is a solution, then what to do? क्या करना चाहिए हमको? यहाँ पर जहाँ हमारे पास x है वहाँ पर हमको 2 रखना है, और जहाँ हमारे पास y है वहाँ पर हमें 3 रखना है. That we have learned in our this topic. Ki solution means that the value of x and y satisfy the equation. So we just simply put 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3 equal to k. Then this is 4. This is 15 equal to k. So k equal to 19. So what we are having here? So k equal, the value of k is 19 here. So this is an interesting problem in which you just find out the right hand value. So different kind of problem we have done it. Now let's go to the another problem. That is problem number 4. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. The pair of solutions are assigned to you. One is 0, 2, 2, 0, under root 2, 4, under root 2, 1, 1. So different pair of solution is given to you. You just check it whether these are the solution of the given problem or not. So children, what to do? We have to just think about the concept. What is the concept? Whatever ordered pair is the solution of the problem, it must satisfy the equation. So let's try this problem. So the problem is, the equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. So let's go with the part 1. Our part 1 is 0, 2. If 0, 2 is a solution, let us cross check. So how to cross check? We just see here x values is 0 and y value is 2. As we have learned, that the first position is for x, the another position is for y. So what we have to do, wherever we are having x, we just put 0. And wherever we are having y, we just simply put 2, minus 2 into 2. So what we are getting? 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. But this does not equal to 4, because what is our right hand side? Our right hand side is 4. So what we are getting after putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 2, we are getting minus 4, not 4. It means that 0 comma 2, this pair is not solution. So what we can write? 0 comma 2 is not solution. Okay, now let us try the another pair. The another pair, what is the another pair? That is 2 comma 0. Now what we have done it, we just simply change the position of x and y. So what we will write? X equal to 2 and y equal to 0 this time. As we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 0, what we'll have? We will just have 2 minus 2 into 0 equal to 2. So again what we are having? It is not equal to 4. So what does it mean, children? That it means your 2 comma 0 is not the solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So in similar manner, you just try out with number 3, this is root 2 comma 4 under root 2, and then number 4, 1 comma 1. Wherever it is satisfy the equation, it means that solution. If it is not satisfy the equation, it is not a solution. So these are the problems which we are, which is very important for us. So hope you understand the concept of linear equation in two variable and how to find out the solution. You enjoy this session, and I hope you will imply in your exercise also. You just do with your exercise, book exercise. You go for with the solutions of different kind of solution of the linear equation in two variable. In another class, we will learn the graph of these solution, because as you know, we are having infinitely many solution. So how these all infinitely many solution can be seen in one time, that we will learn in the next class. So hope you enjoy this class. Thank you very much.